Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie. I am from the United States. I grew up in the state of Louisiana and now live in the state of Texas. Recently, some friends from the country of Turkey prepared a birthday meal for me. It was so wonderful, and I knew I just had to return the favor. At this meal, our friends told us about a special lamb dish that was made by a family in Turkey for the holidays. I knew immediately that I wanted to make it for them.
Hi Steph, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
So what are you going to cook for us today?
I am going to cook lamb ribs stuffed with rice.
Is it American?
It is a Turkish dish I learned from my friend.
Cool. So can you please tell us about the ingredients?
Yes, it is a lamb shoulder, white rice, slivered and toasted almonds, tomato paste, sweet pepper paste, biber red pepper, dry sweet basil, black currants that are pre-soaked, black pepper, salt, and Italian parsley.
Nice. It sounds delicious. Are you going to have help from someone?
Someone helped me, another friend from Turkey, learn about the recipe, and I will be getting help in the kitchen from my husband, Steve.
Okay, got it. And do you have any other plan for tonight?
Yes,
Like tombola?
I will be playing tombola with my Turkish friends, another Turkish tradition of theirs.
Cool, thank you.
See ya. The rice was rinsed and strained 3 times before cooking, then boiled on the stovetop. When the rice is cooked, it is strained and poured into a container. Almonds, parsley, currants, basil, red pepper, black pepper, and salt are added and mixed into the rice. The lamb has been rinsed and soaked in whole milk yogurt for 24 hours, then rinsed for cooking. Now the connective layer is cut open and the shoulder roast is separated from the ribs by hand to make space for the rice to be stuffed. A good friend and family member to our friends from Turkey graciously found the recipe and sent it to me. Also, he answered all of my questions and kept my secret. He is too humble to take credit, but without him, I may not have been successful in finding the right recipe. Thanks again, brother. After some of the rice is stuffed into the lamb, it is sewn together again with a needle and butcher's twine. While sewing the lamb, a mixture of olive oil, tomato paste, and red pepper paste is browned and put to a boil with water. I wanted the dish to be authentic and had concerns about finding the right ingredients, but in the end, every ingredient chosen blended perfectly to become one incredible dish. Once the mixture is boiling, the lamb is added to the pot with the lid and closing it for 5 hours. Water is added every half hour. After 5 hours, the broth is separated from the lamb, and the lamb is broiled in the oven until it is crispy on top. The extra rice is plated, and some of the broth is poured over it. The lamb is placed over the rice, and the meat is separated from the bones. Our friends loved it, and their family from Turkey were excited, offered us their gratitude, and congratulated us. This means everything to us, especially coming from Mother. Special thanks to my husband Steve for helping me in the kitchen. I could not have done it without your muscles, patience, and love. Also, thanks to our friends for putting together this awesome video.